Hello parents, today I'm going to show you kind of how to access our different Padlet boards once your students are on Padlet. So again, to get onto Padlet, you need to go to your internet browser, and then you're going to type in dailytech.weebly.com, second grade. And again, it's a really great idea to bookmark this page so it'll go a little bit more quickly each time. And then you go into Daily Padlet. Oops, I'm signed in still, so let me log out and I'll show you how to log back in. So if you get, you're logged out, we'll miss you, you just click login again. Remember, the login page should look something like this. If it just says padlet.com and you try and log in, it's not going to work. So again, it has to be the daily.padlet.org webpage. So then you type in your username and password. So the username is the same username students use to log into the tablets at school, and the password is 123456. Go ahead and log in. And it'll take a minute. Sometimes if you click on the dragon, it'll log in a little bit more quickly. I'm not quite sure why that is. And so it'll probably take you here to made, and these are the Padlets that the students have actually made by themselves and shared. These Padlets are generally just shared with their teacher. So if you go down here to shared, now you can see the different Padlets that your child's teacher has made for them. So we're using Padlet right now for our core novel. If you click here, each class looks a little bit different, but more or less the same idea. We have the different chapters. Kind of the first one, we're getting used to Padlet. We're reading along with our teacher. Kind of our foundational skills focus for the week. Here's a little video about common and proper nouns. And then we have our chapters. So again, the first few chapters we're trying to get students to read along with us and get used to the digital format. And then later on we start to ask more questions. They can scroll down and leave replies or comments for the questions here. So we chose to use Padlet, that way we can have kind of a virtual chat about our core novel. And if we go back to dashboard, you'll see that we also use it for the morning message. So each morning I've been posting something different for the students to kind of answer and talk about with us. And then we just started one also for our unit. So we asked students to create the message in the bottle. Yesterday, those students that were on Zoom with us were really excited about talking about it. And then now they can use this one to share. So if they click here on the plus sign, they can add a new post like my project. Or they can write their name, and then they can tell me something about the project, like I enjoyed making it. The first time I tested, and then they can go on to explain it. They can use this one to snap a picture. This one they can create a link to if they had it another video that's like pertinent to the topic. So just different ways students can respond. They can also click here. They can film their video, or they can do a voice recording. So it's really just up to the scholars and the way they'd like to present their information. But that was a quick overview of just some of the things we've been using Padlet for. Again, we have it for our core novel, some morning message type work, morning meeting, and then also for our unit of inquiry. So it's our goal this week to really get everyone up on Padlet and kind of responding to the work that way. Thank you for listening.